Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the exciting news that NASA is taking hip-hop music into deep space. For the first time ever, a hip-hop song was sent to Venus via NASA's Deep Space Network, DSN. Let's take a look at the details of this extraordinary event. On Friday, July 12th at 10:05 a.m. PDT, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, sent hip-hop artist Missy Elliott's The Rain, Supa Dupa Fly to Venus at the speed of light. The song was transmitted through the giant radio antennas of the DSN, the largest and most sensitive telecommunications service in NASA's Space Communications and Navigation program. To date, DSN has only sent one other song into space, Across the Universe by the Beatles. The transmission of Missy Elliott's song was therefore a first for both hip-hop and NASA. Space exploration and Missy Elliott's art are about pushing boundaries, says Brittany Brown, director of the Digital and Technology Division at NASA's headquarters in Washington. Brown is the one who first raised the idea of collaborating with Missy's team. Missy Elliott often uses space-themed stories and futuristic visuals in her music videos, so collaborating with NASA was a perfect fit. The song traveled about 158 million miles, 254 million kilometers, from Earth to Venus. The radio frequency signal reached the planet in about 14 minutes, transmitted at the speed of light. The transmission was carried out by the 34-meter-wide Deep Space Station 13, DSS-13, radio antenna at the Goldstone Deep Space Communications Complex near Barstow, California. In an interesting coincidence, this antenna has also been nicknamed Venus. Missy Elliott's music career began more than 30 years ago, and DSN has been communicating with spacecraft for more than 60 years. Now, thanks to the DSN, Elliott's music has reached beyond her fans on Earth and into another world. I still can't believe I'm leaving this world and going to Venus with the Deep Space Network through NASA, said Missy Elliott. I chose Venus because it symbolizes power, beauty, and empowerment, and I'm so humbled to have the opportunity to share my art and message with the universe. NASA's two selected missions in 2021 will explore Venus and send data back to Earth via DSN. The Da Vinci Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging mission, led by NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, will launch in 2029 at the earliest. This mission will study the atmosphere and chemical composition of Venus, providing important information about how the planet formed and evolved. The Veritas, Venus Emissivity, Radio Science, INSAR, Topography, and Spectroscopy mission will be launched in 2031 at the earliest and will be led by JPL. Veritas will study Venus's surface features and internal structure, helping us understand the planet's geological history. It will also collaborate with the European Space Agency's Venus Mission Envision. A team at JPL is developing this spacecraft's Venus Synthetic Aperture Radar, VENSAR. VENSAR will map the surface of Venus at high resolution to study the planet's geological processes and volcanic activity. Operating continuously since 1963, NASA Scans DSN consists of 3 complexes around the world: Goldstone in California, Madrid in Spain, and Canberra in Australia. These sites are spaced about 120 degrees apart around the Earth, allowing uninterrupted communication with spacecraft. The DSN has played a vital role in many historic missions, from the Apollo missions to today's deep space missions. The DSN's advanced technology and large radio antennas are critical for maintaining communication with spacecraft and sending data back to Earth. Music is one of the ways people express their emotions and tell cultural stories. Missy Elliott's hip-hop music has been sent into deep space, demonstrating how music can cross borders and spread across the universe. This event reminds us how music and space exploration can come together and expand its place in human history. In the future, other artists may send their music into space, and this could be the beginning of a universal cultural exchange. Venus represents power, beauty, and love in ancient mythology and astrology. Missy Elliott's choice of Venus further emphasizes the symbolic meaning of this planet. Venus's dense atmosphere and extreme surface temperatures make it a challenging target to explore, but also a fascinating and mysterious world. Therefore, this musical journey to Venus is not only a technological achievement, but also a cultural and symbolic one. NASA and other space agencies will continue to explore Venus and other planets. These discoveries will not only help us understand the physical properties of the planets, but also explore the possibility of life existing in the universe. While Venus is a challenging exploration target with its dense atmosphere and surface temperatures, studying this planet could help us understand the history of our planet and our solar system. Other targets such as Mars, Jupiter, and other exoplanets are also on the radar of space agencies. The discovery of these planets will provide important insights into the evolution of our solar system and the possibility of life on other planets. Space exploration will continue to push the limits of technology and open new horizons for humanity. It's fascinating to see music cross borders and spread across the universe thanks to this amazing collaboration and technology. If you are curious about such interesting topics, don't forget to subscribe and share your comments. What other songs do you think should be sent into space? Share your thoughts with us. In this video, we explore the unique and historic moment when NASA sent hip-hop music into deep space. We explain how Missy Elliott's The Rain, Supa Dupa Fly reached Venus and the technology behind this collaboration. Join us on this exciting journey where space exploration and music meet and share your thoughts. See you in our next video. Bye.